Big breaking news coming up. Mirabai Chanu has chance to turn her silver into gold if Chinese weightlifter fail dope test. China weightlifter Zi Huihao, who bagged gold in the Tokyo Olympic on Saturday, will be tested by anti-doping authorities. And if she fails the test, India Mirabai Chanu will be awarded gold. She has been asked to stay in Tokyo and the test will be done. The test is definitely happening. China Zi Huihao had bagged gold on Saturday with a total of 210 kg and created a new Olympic record. The rules clearly states if an athlete fails the doping test, then the athlete who has won silver will be awarded the gold. Mirabai Chanu had opened India medal tally on Saturday as she bagged a silver in the women 49 kg category at Tokyo International Forum. Chanu lifted a total of 202 kg during her 4 successful attempts across the competition. China Ji Huihao created a new Olympic record, while Indonesia Windy Cantika Aisyah grabbed bronze with a total of 194 kg. With this monumental silver medal, Chanu became the second Indian weightlifter to win an Olympic medal after Karnam Malleswari bagged bronze in the 69 kg category at the 2000 Sydney Games when the weightlifting arena was open to women for the first time.